Today we're going over my tasting notes for Karigane, and this is what the leaves look like. Don't they look fabulous? They are sticks and stems, but the website says that the darker colored ones are actually leaves and the lighter colored ones are the stalks. And so this is a blend, and isn't it beautiful? I think the color combination is so beautiful to look at. So here is the color of the liqueur. It's almost like pea green, weird kind of. And we can take this off and maybe take a peek at what they look like after they're brewed, the wet leaves. And so here are my tasting notes. I actually tasted this with 3 other teas, the sencha and the cookie cha. And the cookie cha is the sticks and stems of the sencha, and the Karigane is the sticks and stems or the leftover parts of the Gayakoro. And so let me scroll up here. So see, there's those two together. You can definitely see the difference in the leaves and in the color. I looked this up. Karigane is a Japanese word meaning cry of the wild goose, or just wild goose. I think that's funny. Now this says tea source, but that's actually the name of the merchant out of Minneapolis. I've purchased from them several times recently, and I have gotten great service and great teas. I do like that they kind of have a mixture of these pure teas like this, just classic teas, and blended teas. So you can get some of both in your order. I tend to not be a blended tea person, but you know, those teas have blends of different types of teas and flavorings and flowers and things in it, nuts. They blend them all together. Those I usually don't like as much as experiencing just the tea leaves, just as this tea is. But you can get both at that website, which is really kind of cool. So this is a green tea, and it is a family-owned garden formed in 1869 in Shizuoka, however you say that, Japan. 5 generations now have run this, and it's in the Nisaka area, not far from Mount Fuji. That's cool. So this tea, as far as I could figure out, since it's leftover Gayakura, the stalks and stems after all the leaves are pulled off, it's also processed similarly because those bushes are shaded and then the tea is steamed. Here's my notes. They're similar to my notes for Gayakura. From the website, it says the emerald green leaves are blended with soft Granny Smith green stalks. This is a type of cookie cha tea. So the cookie cha tea is also twig tea, but this one is just made with different bushes, with the Gayakura bush, the same bushes that Gayakura is made from. I learned that Gayakura is one of the most expensive teas in Japan, and that its counterpart is Karigane, which are the sticks and stems left over after Gayakura is plucked from the tea plant. Sticks and stems of the tea cost less to purchase. They both tasted very similar, but we found the Gayakura to be more subtle and smooth than the Karigane. It's almost too subtle that after our taste buds became familiar with the flavor, we liked the bolder taste of Karigane better. So we actually like this one better, which is good for us since it costs less. Makes it no reason to buy the expensive. It's a little paler color than the Gayakuro. The aroma flavor is vegetal. Body is full. Astringency is lively and brisk. And the taste is the exact same taste that I wrote down for her Gayakuro: grassy, vegetal, and kale and spinach. Finish is juicy and mouth-watering, and I've got the love it, would buy it again, and I'm thinking that that's incorrect because I don't actually really love it. I'm going to go here and drop that down. So I liked it, and I might buy it again, the same as the Gayakuro. Yeah, it's a little bit too much astringency for me. It's a little bit, yeah, that's just about it. I don't like teas that are too astringent, but you might. So I do like it, but I would just buy it maybe to experience it again, and not necessarily because I love it. So that's my tasting notes.